Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. My name is Jack, and in today's video, I would like to present to you a project, cryptocurrency or blockchain project that's been receiving a lot of attention without actually receiving any attention at all. I've never heard of it, but it has managed to garner quite a bit of cash so far. The funding's happening on the project. Stick around till the very end. Do some more research of your own, and make sure to smash up the likes on this video and subscribe to the channel, of course, so I can bring more videos like this to you and inform you more about cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects that are being out there, that are being developed out there. All right, here we go. So as I mentioned, this project right now, as of date, has received $273 million. It's called StarkWare. What is StarkWare? Up until recently, I never heard about StarkWare. I did some digging and I found this project, and so decided to take a look, because $230 million is nothing to sniff at. This is the amount of money this project received prior to a token sale. Apparently there may be a token sale coming. Whether it will or not is, I'm not exactly sure. I have no idea. But ICO Drops says that token sale is coming soon. So what is StarkWare? StarkWare is bringing scalability, security, and privacy to a blockchain near you. The goal is to scale your app with StarkS. Our scaling solutions use StarkS-based validity proof to ensure an Ethereum secure, fast, and seamless use experience. They support a range of data available modes. It's an expansion layer that goes over Ethereum, and it's supposed to basically help Ethereum work faster. Under the umbrella of StarkWare, there's StarkX, and there's a bunch of products, and StarkNet. StarkNet is a permissionless, decentralized validity rollup, often referred to as ZK rollup, something that was talked about a few years ago, and then it disappeared. And I think it's ZK rollups are making a comeback. And any developer can deploy any dApp using smart contracts and achieve ultimate scale. So that's StarkNet, and then there's StarkX, which is a standalone validity rollup, SaaS. I'm not in tune with all the acronyms here. dApps can build on the StarkX service. StarkX supports a range of use cases out of the box: NFT minting and trading, derivative trading, AMM, spot trading, payments, and DeFi pooling, and more. So basically, StarkWare is gearing towards making it very easy for developers to create and deploy dApps and anything else, NFTs, minting, trading, and basically any other cryptocurrency services that are available to be deployed fast and securely on the Ethereum blockchain, which explains kind of what's happening with Ethereum and why Ethereum is the number one. There's a lot of work being done and a lot of money being pumped into the Ethereum ecosystem. If you scroll down on the website, on the StarkWare website, you can find documentation, and there's a lot of information about what StarkWare offers: StarkX and StarkNet and Cairo. StarkX leverages Stark technology to power scalable self-custodial trading and payment transactions for applications such as DeFi and gaming. StarkX enables an application to scale significantly to improve transaction speed while also reducing transaction costs. Implementing requires minimal change to existing setups. So I guess for exchanges, decentralized or custodial trading, which means that individual people could trade. I don't exactly know how that would work, obviously, but that's what custodial trading means. You'd be in charge of your cryptocurrencies, which is something I'm not sure if you can do that on Binance right now. You basically can store your cryptocurrencies on your wallet, on your private wallet, hardware wallet, like a Ledger or any of the other wallets that I mentioned in a previous video. If you haven't watched that video, then make sure to check out the video in the link description below. And I will attach it somewhere here. And also, and so you can deposit your cryptocurrency on one of the hardware wallets and then connect it to an exchange and trade through there. So your cryptocurrency wouldn't be held on an exchange, it would be in your wallet. And then so if an exchange goes bust, you don't lose your crypto, it's on your hard wallet or on the blockchain, secured by your hard wallet. but you can still participate in trading functions and so forth. StarkX currently supports ETH, synthetic assets, and the following tokens: ERC20, which is the Ethereum main tokens, ERC7, 21, and 1155. StarkX is a mature platform that has been deployed on Ethereum mainnet since 2020, so it's not a very new blockchain. It's been around for 3 years now. Before its mainnet deployment, over 50 million StarkX transactions were settled on both public and private Ethereum testnets. Many applications currently use StarkX. So here are the applications that use StarkX. RhinoFi Immutable X was a project that just released, I guess 2 years ago, yeah? I was going to be part in it, but then things didn't work out. And gladly so, because I think the sale was for about $4 or something like that, and Immutable X right now stands below $1. But it's definitely an interesting project, which is why I was looking into it. StarkWare ecosystem looks to be quite massive. So there's a lot of companies that are involved in StarkWare in one way or another, which tells you something. Canvas, Brian Radio, Diligence, Consensus. No idea what these companies are, to be honest with you. Ledger, obviously, we know what that is. Wallet Connect, Alchemy, OKX Exchange. So there's quite a bit of interest in this project, which is probably the reason why it managed to garner 230 million over the past 2 years without actually a pre-sale or token sale. Who are the StarkWare team? Let's have a look at that. Eli Ben Sasson, co-founder, president. Eli Sasson is a co-founder, president of StarkWare, and chairman of its board of directors. He has been researching cryptographic and zero-knowledge proofs of computational integrity ever since he received his PhD in theoretical computer science from the Hebrew University in 2001. Eli is a co-inventor of the StarkFi and Zero Cash protocols and a founding scientist of the Zcash company. Over the years, he held research positions in at the Institute of Advanced Study at Princeton, Harvard, and MIT, and most recently was professor of CS at Technion while he left to co-found StarkWare. That's the first co-founder, president. The CEO, Yuri Kolodny. Yuri is a co-founder of he has a Bachelor of Science in Magna Cum Laude in Computer Science from the Hebrew University and an MBA from MIT Sloan. Okay, those two fellas. Who else is on the project here? Abdelhamid Bakhta, exploration lead, as the intrepid exploration lead at StarkWare, as a computer science engineer with a flair for electronic banking and system security. Okay, with years of fintech. And Adi has experience as a product manager in the field of cybersecurity, computer science and cognitive science from a Hebrew University, experience in network and security. Okay, so the team seems to be quite well versed in all that is cybersecurity and cryptocurrency stuff, computer stuff, and most of them seem to be they seem to have graduated from the Hebrew University, which probably means that they've worked together in the past. And the Hebrew University is located in the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. So I assume this project, let's call it a Israeli project, based out of Israel. I guess most of the developers, possibly. But yeah, it looks like they have a pretty large team of people working on this project. Scientific advisors, and then other advisors and board members. So there are quite a few people working on this project. Investors: Paradigm, Sequoia, Pantera, Data Collective, Wing, Floodgate, Atomico, Polychain Capital, Consensus Sys, don't know what that is, Metastable, Scalar Capital, and so on and so forth. Vitalik Buterin also invested in this project, and Naval Ravikant. StarkNet. What is StarkNet? StarkNet is the secure scaling technology bringing Ethereum's benefits to the world. Build on StarkNet. So StarkNet basically will allow people to deploy dApps easily and effortlessly on the Ethereum blockchain. There is a lot of information as well here. And yeah, so if you're interested in reading that, so that looks like an interesting project. It's something to consider if you want to invest in the future, and certainly something to keep an eye on, because keep an eye on for the sale. I will certainly keep an eye out for the sale when it comes up, and when it does, I will definitely put out an announcement. So make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to this channel, and stay up to date so that you don't miss the notification on the upcoming sale, which token sale, which seems to be coming soon. Follow them, go to the website. I guess you can subscribe to our mailing list. If you subscribe to the mailing list, I'm sure they will be sending you notifications, probably not always, so make sure to come back to this channel. I hope this was informational and interesting. If it was, then make sure to smash up the likes. Quick little update on this video. StarkWare made you aware of the StarkWare. Make sure to come back in the next video. Bye bye.